Hello and welcome to Sahelnetworks. Um, a member of the channel sent me an email asking why is IT network so important and what may be some of the obligation of an IT technician. The first question can be answered easily by the means of these pictures. Look at these pictures carefully. You won't come to any company and find that kind of infrastructure in the middle of the working room. That infrastructure is normally installed in the server room. So if you look carefully, take some time and look carefully and imagine what that means. You see all those cables from the telephone, from the PC to the telephone, from the telephone to direction that infrastructures that show you the data communication path. If you want to communicate with someone somewhere in the network from your PC, the data are sent out direction the cable and they go up to that infrastructure and find their way out. It might be you want to access a server. It might be you are sending an email out. And if you are sending an email out, it should go to an email server, which may be in this rack. If you are using your handheld device, it has network connectivity over a wireless access point. If those access points have not been properly mounted based on a prior analysis of the area, you will have connectivity issue. For example, coverage hole. So just think about if you want to access an important database in a server installed in this rack, and that is not available, you won't be able to work. You won't be able to complete your job. So um, just think about different subsidiary. This location happened to be the headquarters, and the connection to all those subsidiary is broken. No one there will be able to access the resources which are installed here to be available for them. Means nobody will work. This is one of the reasons that we say IT network is the heart of the company. Where is operating here is operating at the heart of the company. A mistake here, a failure here can have a huge impact. It can be with a wrong misconfiguration or a normal hardware failure or a software failure. And you will agree with me that a, a mistake here leading to 100 user, 200 user, 500 user not working will be a different level of situation and expectation to the IT network technician. So the IT network technician had a certain responsibility. But don't think only that this is the area, the single area of the IT technician. There exist IT technicians which are only for the installation of those PC. Even there, they need resources which might be accessible over the internet or based on the server, local server, in this kind of rack. As I said, that all these equipment you will not find there in the middle of the working room. They are installed in a server room that if you are not an IT personnel, You will never come to see that. So, meaning whatsoever is happening on the back plane, you don't see it. But if any uh, huge failure there could lay that no one in the company works. I hope with this picture, you will have a better understanding of an IT network. Even nowadays, when people say we are moving direction cloud and so on, yeah, even those cloud, if you are talking about Microsoft or AWS or whatsoever, they have huge data center. And in those data center, where the resources that you are accessing are installed, you have ton of those equipment there. And there are working technician 7/24 around the clock. So I hope with this picture, you understand more the IT network, the importance of the IT network, and the responsibility that come with that. As a IT technician, you should not only understand why things work that way, and not only why uh, why they work, but also understand the reason why they are working that way, uh, in order to be able to isolate issue and correct them if any anomaly happen in your network. I hope I emphasize enough and that with that pictures, it is clear to you now. The task of an IT technician, the obligations are, there are a couple of obligations. I will cite um, five of them here. As I already noted, the installation and configuration of the hardware equipment that you saw in the rack in the previous um, image, the monitoring of those network devices for performance and to identify um, possible issues and to correct before the issue even appear. If an issue exists, troubleshoot the issue, including diagnostic and repairing the faults, provide technical support and documentation. So those are some of the obligations I could cite here. We can talk about the skill set, the qualification that an IT technician should have in order to be successful in that environment. For that, we will we could continue with those um, skill set and qualification in the next video if you would like to. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share, and turn on the notification so you will not miss any video posted on this channel. I thank you for viewing and hope to see you pretty soon and in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.